How to unblock users on Badoo. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can unblock someone on Badoo. So to do that, first of all, open the Badoo app on your mobile device. And now make sure you are logged into your Badoo account. Now once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where first of all, let me show you how you can block someone. So let's say you want to block this person right over here. So in order to block them, you'll have to tap on this three dots right over here. After that, from the bottom side, you can see two different options. You can either block them or block and report them. So simply tap on the option block, and then a confirmation will appear where you'll have to tap on the option yes block. And now you'll have successfully blocked that person on Badoo. Now, in order to unblock someone whom you have blocked on Badoo, you'll have to go to your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, simply tap on the settings icon on the top right. And then you will be taken to the settings page where you can see the option blocked users. Simply tap on it. After that, you will be able to see the list of all of the different people whom you have blocked on Badoo. Now to unblock them, simply tap on their profile. After that, tap on the three dots once again. And now on the bottom side of the screen, an option will appear where it will say unblock. Simply tap on it. And there you have it. That is basically how you unblock someone on Badoo. Now you can repeat the same process for all of your blocked users. So simply tap on the three dots, tap on unblock, and there you have it. That is basically how you unblock users on Badoo. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.